a lot of people I talk to that do paint furniture and do paint and do different things, crafting, whatever it is, it takes them to a different place in their mind. I was going through a really hard time in my life. I started painting for therapy. It took me to another place in my head that was so, it took, everything melted away. All of my problems melted away. I, made the paint, I packaged the paint, I was making the calls, I was answering I was doing everything like you would if I was a one-person show. So just like anybody would starting a business. That's the way it started for me.
Kevin, who is Suzanne's husband, came by and we caught up. Maybe she's looking for somebody to help her out part-time, and I was like, oh, that'll be fun. I'd love to talk with her. And here 10 years later, I'm not working part-time. I'm working full-time.
Oh my goodness, look at this. Aww. It just is exactly like I remember.
Happy memories. Our very first location was the 800 square foot little shack. It was, the things I remember most about that place was freezing cold in the wintertime. I would have to wash those buckets, and my hands were freezing cold, and because we didn't have heat. Now we had air conditioning, but we have heat. I have a very fondness in my heart for this space. I mean, really, I'm just so happy that we're back here and able to film it, because this place has a lot of really, really good memories here. It's home for me. We moved in there, and August of 2013, moved out in August of 2014 because we ran out of space. We needed more space, and that 800 square feet became too small pretty quick, which was a good thing. So after that, we moved into it was actually office space. But I love the guy who rented it to us. We told him what we did. We make paint, and there's all carpet, and we're gonna ruin it. And he said, well, if you ruin it, you replace it. I said, all right, that's a deal. And moved in there, and that was 1,600, so we doubled space. Wow. Look at this.
This has changed.
Crazy. It's a little different than when we were here.
Yeah, I mean, the two offices are still here. Now, this was like our break room, remember? We actually had a break room.
Yes. Oh, my God, look, it's painted the same. We painted that wall. We did that.
We did love that color.
Yeah, we did, didn't we?
Within a year, we outgrew that space, too.
It was an industrial area with 10 units. Each unit was 1,600 square feet. So we first got 3 units, so it was 4,800 square feet. Now I remember helping move in there and looking at the space, and I just thought, oh my goodness, we'll never fill this. Then we started getting tight on space. We had to add another unit and add another unit. Before we left that building, we had 9 out of the 10 units.
It was our 3rd building, I think, is when I actually started doing marketing. I have a degree in marketing. And so I was like, I think I can do this. How hard can it be? And so I did, and we just took off from there.
When I first started working at Dixie Belle, I was working under our Chief Marketing Officer, Terry Ronk, and quickly our team grew from just us to a team of 6 people total, with 4 people working on the social media team, me as the marketing supervisor at the time, and Terry as our fearless leader. We started with like 40,000 followers on Facebook, and now we have just under 700,000 followers on Facebook. We just reached 100,000 subscribers on YouTube, and we got our silver play button, and that was at like 1,500 subscribers for years.
So after about 3 years, there was nothing more that we could do. We had used it as efficiently as we could, so we started on the hunt to find something else, and that's how we found this place. And we really wanted to purchase at that point.
It was time to get a place that we could actually call home, and we bought and we own it, and this is ours. And that's what makes it special, is that, we started off so small, renting, and then we're like, now this is it.
And here we are at Dixie Belle headquarters. Yay!
Now you see where we
home
have
again.
ended up in beautiful Port Richey.
We love it
Come
here.
on in, we'll show it to you. Hello, puppies!
Hello!
We're here.
So now we've got a lot of great people. They've been here a long time. They know what they're doing. We have a lot of great processes in place now.
When I got here, we were growing rapidly, and they needed help with process improvement, organization, those types of things. We're a lot bigger organization than we were when I started.
Our team has really become organized over time. You know, when you're smaller, you kind of have a jack of all trades and everybody kind of running around doing as much as they can, a little bit of everything. We've come to the point now where we've got a great HR team, a great IT team.
I'm the operations administrative manager, and I've been here about 4.5 years. I also oversee the international shipping. We ship globally.
When I came in, one of my first roles was printing orders for our shipping teams in the back, and that was a very manual process. Lots of paper, lots of staples. But since then, we've automated 75% of our processes, both administrative and the physical process in the back. We're doing a lot better.
This is a big difference from where we had that little table in that very first place.
We get emails. It's usually a customer or retailer that reach out to Terry or something, and she's always really good about sharing it with the team just to kind of remind everyone why we do this and how it makes a positive impact to other people. Someone reached out and is like, I just wanted to let you guys know that Dixie Belle helped me.
And I can't tell you the letters and the emails and the calls that we get from people who thank us because it's really helped them therapeutically in their mental health and all of that, and given them a creative outlet that they didn't even know that they had, or to be creative. But I'm really proud of the people that we've been able to help.